Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Mature ego defense mechanism. So mature ego defense mechanism, it includes the altruism. So altruism is a form of being generous. So you're being generous, which helps to alleviate the internal stress. So you become generous, which helps to alleviate the internal stress or managing insecurity. So you alleviate internal stress or managing the insecurity. Next is anticipation. So under anticipation, you anticipate, that is plans for the future inner discomfort, that is goal oriented. So you plan for the future inner discomfort. So plan for the future inner discomfort, that is goal oriented. This is the anticipation. Then comes the humor. The humor is a decreases association. So decreases association is a humor. So humor is decreases association with the situation by pointing out something funny or ironic. So this is nothing but the humor. Then is the asceticism. Asceticism eliminates the pleasurable effects of experiences. So eliminates the pleasurable effects and these are the experiences. Next comes the sublimation. The sublimation is a channeling unacceptable thoughts. So channeling unacceptable thoughts or impulses. So unacceptable thoughts or impulses into a more socially acceptable behavior. So socially acceptable behavior or to avoid the causing more problems. So avoiding causing more problems. Then comes the suppression. The suppression is a constant blocking of unpleasant thoughts. The conscious blocking of unpleasant thoughts. So constant blocking of unpleasant thoughts and impulses or memories. So you have impulses or the memories. So suppression is conscious blocking of unpleasant thoughts, impulses or memories to avoid the feelings of anxiety and guilt. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.